Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to auto-generate date and invoice number in Excel. So for us to proceed, I have this Excel file right here, and let's start with the date. The date is this easiest. It's going to be just this code right here. And basically what happens is since we've chosen today, every single day, if you open this one, the date is going to change. Now let's head over to the invoice number. This one is a bit complicated, but don't worry, I'm going to explain it in step by step. So first things first, I want you to head over and basically just create here like a button. So basically what's happening is that this button can be clicked, and if we click this one, we're gonna be generating an invoice code. So say for example, something like that, and then here in the invoice number, under invoice, right click and then click view code or tab. Now I have this code ready for me already, so I'm gonna be using that one. So I'm just gonna paste it here, and then we're just gonna change the value. So in this case, the value for me here for the code, I think it's just a moment. Let's go ahead and close this. It's gonna E8. All right, I'm gonna copy this one, head over back there, and then we're just gonna change C4 to E8. Same thing here. There you go. Now I'm gonna close, and then from here for the invoice number, we go back to the button, right click, assign macro, and then choose the one that we have just copied. Now, if we head over here, click invoice number, you can see that now we are generating. So you can put this in the center, there at the side. So center I think would be great. So yeah, you can just go ahead and continue clicking on this one every single time, and it's gonna auto generate. So yeah, that is how you are going to auto generate date and invoice number in Excel.